Happy New Year's, guys. It's your girl back at it again with another video for you. Sorry it's been a little bit, but we're here. So today we have this cute little pinkish look going on, in case anybody's feeling a little pink for the new year. Although I hope you're not feeling pink. Sounds like you're not. That was good. Okay, so today I'm using my new ring light. Leave comments down below, let me know if you guys like it, and if you feel like my videos have now improved due to my new lighting. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. I already have my eyes prepped right now. I used Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer. I think my nails are messed up. Don't judge me, guys, okay? Don't judge. And then I went in with my MAC, and my brows are done by Anastasia Beverly Hills in chocolate. Alright, so we're just gonna get right into this. Y'all wasn't trying to see what I was doing here, right? I apologize, my frame is so high. That's what happens when you film yourself. But you know, we'll work on it. Next time it will be all in frame, I promise. I don't know if y'all can tell how happy glitter makes me, but I'm pretty sure it shows right here. So what had happened was I was done filming and everything looked good, and then I got to this part and none of my foundation was on here. I have no clue why, but yeah. So I will put all the details about my foundation in the description box. Y'all know glitter gets everywhere, right? Don't forget to check out Icon and use that discount code if you guys want 30% off. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my page for many more to come. You guys can leave comments, requesting any kind of videos you want to see. Just hit me up, let me know. Don't forget to have a great New Year's, and let's start this 2018 off right.